How to reset Tigan Radio Easy method. Most people get this wrong, but resetting of Tigan Radio is surprisingly simple. You won't believe how quickly you can restore factory settings and fix minor glitches. First, turn on your car and the radio. Make sure the system is powered, but not playing any media. This ensures the reset process completes properly. Next, locate the reset button. On most Tigan models, it's a small pinhole on the front of the radio unit. Use a pointed object like a pen or paper clip to press and hold it for about 5-10 seconds. If your model doesn't have a reset button, use the touchscreen menu. Go to Settings System Factory Reset or Reset Radio and firm your choice, and the radio will restart. Finally, repair your Bluetooth devices and reset any custom settings like IC, radio presets and time. Your Tigan radio should now function normally, free from previous glitches. In conclusion, resetting of Tigan Radio involves either pressing the physical reset button or using the system menu. Follow these steps, and your radio will return to optimal performance quickly and easily.